Welcome to eHallPass. This short video will show admins, teachers, and staff members what happens in the system when they end another teacher's pass. So we're going to walk through a scenario where the student is leaving Mr. Teacher 1 and the student wants to go to his or her locker. So the student creates the pass and Teacher 1 is going to approve that pass. The teacher's entering his PIN from the student device or into the eHallPass system on the student device, and the pass is now active. The student leaves the room. So in this scenario, let's say that Mr. Teacher 1 needs to leave the classroom during this period where this student has gone to his locker. So Mr. Teacher 1 steps out of the classroom and another teacher or staff member is stepping in and covering the class while Teacher 1 is out of the room. During this time, the student returns to the classroom from going to his or her locker, and now the teacher that is covering the classroom can pin the student in using his or her PIN. So that teacher or staff member would simply click on the check mark and then enter their PIN that is set up in their profile. This ends the pass for the student, and you'll see here on the ended pass that we have the details where Teacher 1 is the teacher that pinned the student out. We have the times, we have where the student went, and the total amount of time. But here in the red block, the highlighted area here, it does show us that, and if we hover over this, the pop-up will show us that the student was pinned back into the room by Teacher 2 and not Teacher 1, and it also is indicated down here. This red highlight means that the teacher that pinned the student at that point in time on the pass was not expected to be the person pinning or approving that pass at that point in time. I want to show you what this looks like on the teacher dashboard here. So here on the teacher dashboard, we have the pass where student 2 left Teacher 1 to go to his or her locker. And in the meantime, Teacher 2 stepped into the classroom to cover for Teacher 1 and pinned the student back in. So once again, this is highlighted in red because it was a teacher or staff member that the system did not expect to put a pin in the system or approve the pass at that point in time. If I hover over it, the full name jumps out. You also have that information here in the status or comments column. This concludes the video showing what happens in the system when a teacher or staff member ends another teacher or staff member's pass. We hope you found this training video valuable. If you should have any questions about using eHallPass, please follow your school's process for submitting system questions. Thank you.